Ever hit send on an email and immediately realized, oops, wrong file, wrong person, or worse, a typo in the subject line? If you're like most of us, your first thought is, can I unsend it? Please, Gmail, help me. Well, good news and bad news. Let's break it down. Gmail does let you unsend emails, but only for a short window after you hit send. Here's how it works. Right after sending, look for this pop-up in the bottom left corner. It says message sent with an undo button next to it. If you click undo in time, your email won't go out. Yep, that simple. But here's the catch. Gmail gives you just 5 to 30 seconds to undo it. It's 5 seconds by default. You can, and you really should, increase this timer. Here's how to do it. Open Gmail on desktop, click the gear icon, click See All Settings. Under the General tab, find the Undo Send setting. Set it to 30 seconds. Scroll down and hit Save Changes. That's it. Now you have an extra window of 30 seconds to undo it. Now, what if you missed the window? You might wonder, can I delete an email from the receiver's inbox? Unfortunately, the answer is no. If you have already sent something wrong, quickly send a clarification email. While Gmail doesn't let us rewrite the past, it does give us a short chance to undo if we are fast. So go now, increase that undo window to 30 seconds. Found this helpful? Like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials that actually work. Before you go, if you ever need to turn your ideas into beautiful customized presentations fast, try Slides AI, a Google Slides plugin. It helps you create stunning, tailored presentations in seconds. From scripts to titles, live keynotes to handouts, and even instant translations. It's all just a click away. Right now, it's Slides AI, a Google Slides plugin.